This little video is about a sediment pond that I cleaned out a few years ago and re-cleaning it and hauling the topsoil away. Little project here. I pushed that. This is a sediment pond. See, on the other side of this road is a big lake, and it's holding fine. This is a sediment pond, and over the years I've pushed it out a couple of different times. We're pushing it out now. It's some real good topsoil. There's the pile right there that I pushed out last time. I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago, I guess. I don't know, but I'm going to try to haul it all out of here now. But this is some good topsoil. Came from sediment, which would all have been in that pond had this sediment pond not been here. And it's just a small little spot. Water goes through, mud settles out of it, and the water goes right on into the lake. And here is the big lake. It's on the other side of this great lake. And this sediment pond does a good job. And here it is after I've finished cleaning and just piled it up. And I've started hauling just a few loads out. Cattle are farting with me, but just hauling some out, and then here we go. Well, here's our little retention basin. I have hauled 25 loads of topsoil out of here, and it's just a tandem truck, but I still haul 25 loads. We got a lot more to haul, but we got the retention basin where we want it. Sediment pond basically is what it is. Good. I mean, it's flower pot dirt too, buddy. Well, there's our toils from yesterday. We hauled 34 loads, I think, yesterday. I'm going to level it off a little bit so we can haul probably another 34 today. Looks like a pretty morning coming up. Got a lot of smoke. I think that's smoke from eastern Kentucky. The best I can figure out. It's definitely smoke. It's laying everywhere. Yep, working it down, making a big pile. I'm gonna start dumping right there on that pile of clay. Just shove it straight out from here on. And that should take care of what we got to haul. Well, there's 100 loads topsoil, good topsoil. Didn't look like much from on the upper side, but I will tell you, it's a pretty darn good pile of topsoil. There's my drain coming out. The reason I couldn't cover it up. I'm gonna try to get that before I can mow it next year. And from here, it looks like a big point. But that's the way I had to put it for various reasons. And here's just a view from the other side of the farm looking back on it, just to show you how big a pile of topsoil it is. But I'm glad to have it. I'm going to resell it and try to make $1 or $2 on it, but you just don't get these opportunities to get good topsoil. So I jumped on this opportunity, and we'll see what happens. Thank you so much for watching.